Do you want to sound more natural in English? Mastering sentence stress and intonation makes you clear and confident. Sentence stress means making important words stronger. For example, I didn't say you stole the money. Stress changes meaning. Intonation is your voice moving up or down. For example, are you coming? Your tone rises for yes/no questions. Tip: stress the key word, like I really like it. Intonation: you're coming? Goes up, you're here, goes down. Easy. Practice this today and follow for daily fluency hacks.